Hello, good afternoon, all of you. We have already seen our poem Walk a Little Slower. Then after us, let's take a English workshop. There is given here a first question, read the poem aloud. The second questions, put the words given in the brackets in the proper blanks. First one is given here, the dash dash is talking to its dash dash. The child is talking to its father. There are given some alternatives, is a father and a child. Is options are given here, father or a child. You have to write if what is the answer is child is talking to its father. The second one, the dash dash is leading and the dash dash is following. The father is leading and the child is following. जो काही वडील आहे ते लीड करतात, ते पुढे जात आहेत अँड द चाइल्ड इज फॉलोइंग. तो जो मुलगा आहे त्यांना तो फॉलो करतोय. सम डे द डॅश डॅश विल बिकम अ डॅश डॅश. सम डे द चाइल्ड विल बिकम अ फादर. चाइल्ड विल बिकम अ फादर. तो मुलगा नंतर काही वर्षानंतर काय बनणार आहे, दॅट इज अ फादर. द डॅश डॅश डज नॉट विश टू फॉल while following its dash dash. The dash dash, the child does not wish to fall while following its father. त्या मुलाला does not wish to fall, त्या मुलाला अजिबात इच्छा नाही आहे किंवा रादर त्याला वाटत नाही की आपण पडावं, आपल्याला कोणतंही अपयश मिळावं. while following its father, while following his father. आता ज्यावेळेस त्याच्या वडिलांना तो फॉलो करतोय त्यावेळेस त्याला अजिबात पडायचं नाहीये किंवा त्याला कोणत्याही प्रकारचं फेल्युअर त्याच्या जीवनामध्ये नकोय. दिस वन इज गिवन हियर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2च आन्सर. सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट. 2 is given here. Find and write pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Words that appear at the end of the line. This question is 2 is given here. Already we had to take on a question number 2, but that wrong number is given at 2. We can see whatever that is number is not important. What is important? Our questions are important here. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words. We have to see in the rhyming words. I have already told you a rhyme scheme also. Then let's see the rhyming words. See here. Last word you have to see. You have to see here a daddy, small, footsteps, fall. Small and fall. Next one. Fast, see, daddy, me. See, me. Up, be, child, me. Be, me. Right, true, daddy, you. True, you. When we see here that times daddy, small, footsteps, when you just read these words daddy and small, that times nothing any same sound at the end of that particular, when we pronounce it, nothing any same sound. That's why we just write here a, and next one is small, also nothing here a same sound, right here b. Again when we read the footsteps, that again that is nothing any same sound, right here a c. When we just go forward, that times we had to read here a fall. We just knew that small and a fall is the same sound word. That's why we just given here a b, because smalls we have already given here a b. You have to write again here a b. What is the rhyme scheme of this stanza? A B C B. Again this one is also A B C B. This third one also same and a fourth one also same. Means that you have to just only remember that you have to learn that these poems having walk a little slower poems rhyme scheme is A B C B. You can get 1 mark for rhyme scheme. Then see the third questions. The meanings of the words in the following pair show that they are related. Daddy, father, child. Follow, lead. These two words are interrelated to each other. Find 5 more pairs of the related words. For example, it's a teacher. You can write here student, doctor, patient, give, take. Then you have to write your own also. Owner, servant, come, go. You can write anything else. You have to just, you like that words. Then see the fourth one. The child in the poem requests his father to walk slower. Here the poet implies that the child wants to understand his father's action better. The child would like to act the same way, but wants the father to be more understanding towards the child's need. What is implied in the following lines? First, you have to just only understand the meaning of these lines. The child in the poem requests his father to walk slower. I have already told you that ह्या पोएममध्ये जर पाहिलं तर तो मुलगा जो आहे ऑब्विसली त्या आपल्या वडिलांना तो रिक्वेस्ट करतोय की तुम्ही हळू चाला. Here the poet implies that the child wants to understand his father's action better. Poet implies that. मग आता या खरंच हळू चालण्यासाठी तो म्हणतोय का नाही? याच्यामधून काय सांगायचंय त्याला? द चाइल्ड वॉन्ट्स टू अंडरस्टँड हिज फादर ॲक्शन बेटर. एक प्रकारे तो हळू चाला का म्हणतोय की त्या मुलाला अंडरस्टँड करून घ्यायच्या, समजून घ्यायच्या की आपले वडील कसे वागतात, त्यांचे ॲक्शन काय, त्यांच्या कृती काय, त्या त्याला समजून घ्यायच्या. द चाइल्ड वुड लाईक टू ॲक्ट द सेम वे. आणि त्या मुलाला सुद्धा तसंच वागायचं आहे. बट वॉन्ट्स द फादर टू बी मोर अंडरस्टँडिंग टुवर्ड्स द चाइल्ड्स नीड. आणि मग एवढंही त्याला वाटतं की माझ्या काही नीड्स आहे, जसं मी तुम्हाला पोएम शिकवताना पॅराफ्रेज किंवा जेव्हा एक्सप्लेन केली त्यावेळेस मी सांगितलं होतं की त्या मुलाच्या पण काही अपेक्षा असतात आणि त्या अपेक्षा किंवा आपल्या वडिलांनी आपल्याकडे लक्ष द्यावं, मुलाकडे लक्ष द्यावं, माझी पण काय मागणी आहे किंवा मला काहीतरी बोलायचं आहे, या सगळ्या गोष्टीकडे लक्ष दिलं पाहिजे. हे त्यावेळेस मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं. हेच त्या लाईन्समध्ये सांगतायत. मग आता खाली दिलेले काही व्हॉट इज द इम्प्लाइड इन द फॉलोइंग लाईन्स. देर आर गिवन सम सेंटेन्सेस अँड दॅट हॅव्हिंग यू जस्ट हॅव टू राईट हिअर देअर इम्प्लाइड मिनिंग्स. त्याच्या पाठीमागे नेमकं काय अर्थ आहे? इम्प्लाइड म्हणजे हिडन मिनिंग काय? फर्स्ट वन, समटाइम्स युअर स्टेप्स आर व्हेरी फास्ट. युअर स्टेप्स आर मीन्स that father is going, that times that father's steps are very fast, means his actions are very rapid one. That child cannot understand the action of that particular father. This is the implied meaning. B is given as sometimes your steps are hard to see. Steps are hard to see what the father is doing, and that child cannot see the behavior, the action of that father. That's why he said that the steps are hard to see. Then third one, I would want to lead just right. I would want to lead just right means that he just wanted to select a right path in his life also, and the child who is grown up now wants to guide his child correctly in the journey of his life. This is the implied meaning. And know that I was true means that he was true because he was following his father, as well as the grown-up child is confident about his opinions and judgments as well as action in his life. He was correct because he was following his father very well. These are the implied meaning of these four sentences A, B, C, D. See the question number. Next question, using your own ideas frame 3 sentences that show continuous actions. Shows a continuous action. This one is very easy. I have already told you that continuous present tense, continuous past tense, and a continuous future tense also. You can write anything else. One is given here, you are leading me. You can write here, I am writing a letter. Whatever you have to write. You can use this here past tense also. I was writing a letter. Means that my sister was playing. Whatever you can write here. You have to write here continuous sentences. You have to write 4 or 3 sentences. 3 or 4 sentences. Then see the next one. 6 questions. Using your own ideas, frame at least 3 sentences that show future action or state. Examples is given here. Will want to follow me when I'm all grown up. You can use here some sentences that gives a future action, that shows the future actions or a state. Then as like when am in standard 10th, you can write in this way also. Next one, who will want to participate in the elocution competitions? You have to write in this way. You can write anything else that shows a future action. Next one, seventh question is a discussions. You have to you have to discuss each other. This is a class activity. See the next one, eighth. Do you have a role model? What qualities do you appreciate in your role model? Means that एखादा आदर्श व्यक्ती तुमचा कोणी आहे का? You can write here, yes, I have a role model, and that name of the role model is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. You can write here anything else. You have to your role model you have to write here, and you have to write here their qualities also. Next one, think of an occasions when you did not like the decisions, actions of your family members, but realize later on that they were right. Write about it in 5 to 8 lines. Think of occasions when you did not like the decisions. एखाद्या तुमच्या फॅमिली डिसिजन्स ॲक्शन ऑफ युअर फॅमिलीमध्ये किंवा कुटुंबामध्ये तुम्हाला एखाद्या कोणाचे तरी जे काही डिसिजन असतात किंवा निर्णय किंवा कृती असेल ती आवडली नाही आहे, एखाद्या ओकेजनला असेल काही कार्यक्रम असेल त्या ठिकाणी काही आवडलं नाही आहे. थिंक ऑफ ॲन ओकेजन, तो जो इन्सिडेंट आहे तो तुम्हाला त्याच्यावर विचार करायचा आहे, त्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला कोणाची निर्णय नाही आवडला. बट रिअलाइज लॅटर ऑन दॅट दे वेअर राईट, पण नंतर त्यांची म्हणणे योग्य होती हे तुम्हाला पटलं, तर असा एका प्रसंग तुम्हाला आठवायचा आहे, त्याच्यावर विचार करायचा आहे, आणि यू हॅव टू राईट अबाउट दॅट ओकेजन, आणि त्याच्यावर तुम्हाला त्या 5-6 ओळी लिहायच्या. या ठिकाणी तुम्ही तुमचा कोणताही कोणता इन्सिडेंट घेऊन तुम्ही लिहू शकतात. द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज विदिन 2 minutes राईट ॲज मेनी फ्रेजेस ऑर सेंटेन्सेस ॲज यू कॅन युझिंग अ लिटल. आता डिरेक्टली याची आन्सर या ठिकाणी लिहून दिलेली आहे. फ्रेजेस अ लिटल हे 2 वर्ड्स वापरून तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी फ्रेजेस लिहून दिलेले आहे बघा. अ लिटल लॅटर, वेट अ लिटल लॉंगर, जस्ट लिटल, अ लिटल टू द लेफ्ट, अ लिटल हायर. डिरेक्टली ह्या सगळ्या या ठिकाणी फ्रेजेस लिहून दिलेले. यू हॅव टू राईट इन दिस वे. याच पद्धतीने या सगळ्या फ्रेजेस तुम्हाला या तुमच्या वहीमध्ये लिहायच्या आहे. देन वॉक अ लिटल स्लोअरची पूर्ण ॲक्टिव्हिटी आपली या ठिकाणी कंप्लीट झालेली आहे. वर्कशॉप कंप्लीट झालेला आहे. ओके, थँक्यू.